Hi guys, my name is Damilola. Welcome to Damilola's kitchen. Today we will be making buns. Let's get started. First, I'll put my dry ingredients in this bowl. This is flour, baking powder, salt, sugar, nutmeg, this is my dry ingredient. Put it aside. We make our wet ingredients. I have my eggs, I'm going to mix my egg. We add our butter, I'm using unsalted butter, but if you are using salted butter, don't add salt. We add our milk, you add your dry ingredients to your wet ingredients. Please watch my videos, like, comment, share, and tell everybody you know about Damilola Olaleye's YouTube channel. This is how it's supposed to look. Now we are going to fry it. I'll be using vegetable oil. You allow we allow our vegetable oil to be heated before we fry. Now, some are browning, so we will need to turn it. Make sure you don't put your stove in high heat. Don't just put it in medium low. Now I'm going to put it in my strainer. The reason why I'm putting it in my strainer is because I want all the oil to go out of it. If you don't have strainer, you can use paper towel. Just place it on your paper towel. I'm going to drain out all the oil. Now let's taste. This is it. Don't forget, we make buns, Nigerian buns. This side. It's salt. It's tasty. I can taste the nutmeg. It's crunchy. Oh my word. Please like, comment, share, tell everybody you know, and and subscribe. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Thank you. God bless you. Bye.